Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to whoever watch my video. Well, hello everyone. So here I am going to explain how water level control system works using a proportional integral controller. This system is widely used in industrial automation, water supply management, and smart home application. The system is designed to maintain a stable water level inside a tank automatically. To do this, it uses a sensor to measure the current water level and then a proportional integral controller to decide how much water should be added and a control valve to adjust the water inflow. And then let's go through the key components one by one. First is the tank system. This is the main storage unit that holds the liquid. And then the control valve. This regulates how much water enters the tank. It opens or closes based on the controller's instructions. And then the outlet valve. This releases water when needed. In some application, this could be connected to a pump or pipeline system. And then the water level. Since we need to control the fluid level inside the tank, we use a sensor to measure it. The sensor sends the real-time water level data to the controller. And then the proportional integral controller. This is the brain of the system. It compares the current water level with the set point and adjusts the control level accordingly. Now, let's break it down into 6 simple steps. Step 1 is setting the desired water level. We set a target level, also called the set point. The system will try to keep the water at this level. And then the sensor detects how much water is in the tank and sends this information to the controller, which is the sensor would measure the actual water level inside the tank. And then uh, the next step is error calculation. The controller compares the current level with the set point. If the water level is too low, the controller knows that more water is needed, and if it's too high, it needs to slow down or stop the water inflow. And the next step is the controller would take action. Before that, the proportional P control reacts immediately to the difference, and the integral control corrects small errors over time, and they are together calculate how much the control valve should open or close. And the next step is adjusting the control valve. If the level is too low, the valve opens more to allow more water in, and if it's too high, the valve closes slightly to reduce inflow. And the last step is system stabilization, which is this process repeats continuously to maintain the correct water level. The system automatically corrects itself until this actual level matches the set point. So, I'm going to explain about the controller. A P-only controller reacts quickly but leaves a small steady-state error. And then a PID controller is more advanced but not necessary for slow process like water level control. And that's why PI or proportional integral controller is the best balance between performance and simplicity. In this type of system is used in many industries and daily life, which is a water supply systems, boilers and steam systems, chemical processing, smart water tanks, irrigation systems, and etc. So, this type of controller ensures stability and efficiency. It automatically adjusts the water inflow to maintain the set point. This method is widely used in both industrial and household applications. By using a proportional integral controller, we get better accuracy, smoother operation, and less manual work. This is why water level control using a proportional integral controller is an essential automation system in modern industries. Maybe that's all for this explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.